Today is one of those days ngivuka ngikwatile. I'm trying to smile. Hey mara ngeke. Do you know the pain of waking up in the morning? Ngirikebetse dancing yana more. I'm trying to motivate myself, knowing very well that I have a very bad sleeping routine. Imagine every day I wake up the following day and sleep the very same day. Into engeke isalungiseka le, but anyways, ex-abafethu it's your boy Lunta_SA. Welcome to another vlog. Spend a day with me. Today I had back-to-back classes, including my morning class, and imagine I woke up early in the morning, but I was late, and that caused me not to even eat in the morning. I told us things campus and fast. On my way to class, I was just thinking about food. Boy, when am I gonna go to rest and eat? The next thing I was inside the class, I saw they just started. I entered, started pressing buttons, and then after that it was chai, boy.
Wanaka. Smile, I'm fana. And I talk yeah. Hey, it's cool. We are not nonchalant, I'm fana.
Let's go and collect our scripts, dog, before our next class. And even that test cooked me. It was tough, it was tough. And now we got into class, attended, and then after that, the class was tried. I was try, I was like, hey, now let me go back to rest. Hey, before we go back to rest, I then after that, I was actually done with my classes. I'm hungry now, let me quickly go back to rest and eat. Because ngikukhumbulile, but anyways, I've realized what at least I'm not faking my lifestyle to impress my crush. Mfethu ngeke mele sidle mfethu, mara the problem is umuntu akanone. But anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.